How can insurance affect the value of your car crash case? Watch this video to find out. In our last video, I talked about various factors that could impact the value of your case, but I purposefully left out one of the biggest factors that could make or break your case: insurance. The simple fact is that you can't understand what your case is worth unless you understand how insurance policies work in New York State. A quick caveat: a lot of what I'm saying will not apply if you're involved in a crash with a government vehicle, a semi, or some other type of commercial vehicle. While insurance can be important in those types of cases, it's often not as cut and dry as it is for your typical car crash case. Okay, the first factor at play is the policy limits of the other driver. Now, what's a policy limit? A policy limit is the maximum amount that the insurance company will pay for any particular car crash. In New York State, drivers must carry, at a minimum, a 25/50 policy. That means $25,000 per person and no more than $50,000 per accident. Stop and think about this. That means if you're in a car crash, that other driver may be carrying as little as $25,000 worth of insurance for your bodily injuries. Needless to say, that's hardly going to cover you if your injuries are severe. The second factor at play when it comes to insurance is your own insurance policy. Many individuals choose to purchase something called supplemental insurance or some policies, which can kick in certain situations where they are in car crashes and the at-fault driver does not carry enough insurance to cover their injuries. The way it works is this. Say you were hit by a driver with a 25/50 policy, and you have injuries that are unfortunately quite severe. Let's say they're worth $100,000. Now, if you happen to carry a 100-300 sum policy, you could first collect $25,000 from the other driver's policy, and then, once that is obtained, collect an additional $75,000 from the sum carrier. Now, if you're watching this video and don't know if you carry a supplemental insurance policy, please check right away. For just a little bit more money per month, you can get significant protection. So these are your two major sources of insurance money. And of course, the amount of insurance will impact the value of your case. You can have the most serious injuries in the world, but if the other driver only has a 25/50 policy and you don't have a sum policy, there's only $25,000 worth of insurance money available to you. Now, yes, we can try to go after the other driver individually, but they may not have assets. We can try to find other negligent parties. Perhaps the road was negligently designed, for instance. But these cases are extremely hard to bring. They're Hail Marys. In most cases, the amount of insurance available will dictate the maximum recovery available to you. So now, hopefully you understand a little bit more about the importance of insurance in car crash settlement values. And again, please double check to make sure that you have some coverage. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any further questions about insurance or car crashes, leave us a comment or visit hillercomerford.com.